Started out, we actually did her mum's kitchen reno. I was a tiler back then, we did the tiling and we were trying to think of something cool and creative for the bench top. And we did that, fell in love with it, started playing around with some basins in the backyard shed for a while until it kind of grew to where we needed a warehouse space. Just loved it, really fell in love with it. Just the product, the finish, enjoyed making it. It was more of a hobby than work, I guess you could say. It's pretty limitless as a product. As long as I can make a mold for it, we can make it. So we make concrete products from scratch basically. Any design, colour, finish, if you come up with a creation, we can make it. We do lots of kitchens and we do a lot of basins too. That's our main business, but anything from outdoor tables, bench seats, fire pit surrounds, we can basically do most of it.
Yeah. I think that's the thing with concrete. Anything you can think of, we can make it.
It's quite sustainable, our product. So we don't use silica sands in the mix, so it's not being dredged from the ocean, dried, bleached, and then used as a product. We use a sand replacement, which is partially recycled material, but it saves on a lot of energy of processing that sand. And even our cement is 10% recycled waste product from another manufacturing process. So we're in a closed loop water system where we don't use any fresh water for processing in the shop at all. It's just infinitely recycled. So we're not wasting water with our product either. Even the oxides to tint all of our colours, they're natural minerals. So they're not artificial colourings we're putting in the mix as well. Every material we use is within a 5k radius from the shop. And we are a stone's throw away down the road from ModnPods, so we can deliver by hand basically. So even at the end of the life cycle, concrete can be recycled again. It can be crushed up and turned into more concrete. They're all individual. Every product, even if we try to, will never be the same. Each piece is unique and you will only reproduce that once.
Yeah, varies in colour, varies in, we've got different air pockets.
Yep, different textures on the outside surface.
It will always be different.
we basically, we don't even have to talk to each other through the day. You know, we can work alongside with each other and it kind of works. It's a pretty even spread, you know. Emma does a lot more in the basins than me, and I'm more of the heavy lifting stuff, but every bench, every basin, we work together. And every piece is poured by both of us.
But we do, pours together, installs together.
Processing together, and then our little bits will split off from.
And then behind the scenes, all together.
Yep. Everything in the office is both of us.
So just split, even split I think.
Yeah. So for us, I guess, in a production line of things, it's pretty simple as far as production goes for basins. We can create more molds, we can pour multiple at a time and keep the orders processing basically. It's really rewarding. Love it. Sometimes it's not so fun, but you know, that's all part of it. But it's pretty nice to be able to come in every day, do what you do and go home happy.
We have kind of talked about it before and I think we enjoy being a small business. Sometimes we want to expand to become bigger and bigger warehouse, more staff, but not like this.
It's good. It's a good relationship we have here and we plod along and do our thing. It's good to keep everything local jobs, keep the economy boosted and just as a whole create excellent products in Australia.